The evolution of Thai cuisine, from ancient roots to modern flavors. Thai cuisine is a rich tapestry of history, culture, and flavors, shaped by centuries of trade, migration, and royal influence. From its ancient origins to the modern-day fusion of global tastes, Thai food continues to evolve while maintaining its deep-rooted traditions. Welcome to FauZia, an accidental food blogger and influencer for all things food in Thailand. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to follow FauZia, of course. In this journey through time, we'll explore how Thai cuisine developed, the key influences that shaped its flavors, and where it's headed in the future. Ancient roots, the birth of Thai cuisine. The foundations of Thai cuisine date back to ancient civilizations, where early communities relied on locally available ingredients to create simple yet flavorful dishes. The earliest Thai people were hunter-gatherers, using wild herbs, freshwater fish, and seasonal vegetables in their cooking. As agriculture developed, rice became the staple grain, a tradition that continues today. Thailand's strategic location made it a melting pot of culinary influences. Early trade routes brought new flavors and techniques from China, India, and Cambodia. Chinese immigrants introduced stir-frying and noodle-making techniques, while Indian traders brought spices like cumin and turmeric, which became key components of Thai curries. Khmer Cambodian influence can be seen in dishes like amok, a coconut-based curry that shares similarities with Thai hor mok. Some of the oldest known Thai dishes included simple grilled meats, fermented fish pastes, and herb-infused broths, all of which laid the groundwork for the complex flavors of modern Thai cuisine. The rise of the kingdoms, regional flavors. As Thailand's early kingdoms developed, so did its regional cuisines. The country's geography plays a major role in shaping local food traditions. Northern Thailand, Lanna cuisine. Influenced by Myanmar, Laos, and China, this region favors mild curries, sticky rice, and grilled meats. Popular dishes include khao soi, a coconut curry noodle soup. Better northeastern Thailand, Isan cuisine. Known for its bold, spicy, and sour flavors, Isan food features grilled meats, papaya salad, som tum, and fermented fish sauces. Central Thailand, home to the royal capital, Bangkok. This region saw the refinement of Thai cuisine in royal kitchens, where chefs created elaborate, well-balanced dishes like tom yum goong and pad thai. In southern Thailand, due to its proximity to the sea, southern Thai cuisine incorporates fresh seafood, coconut milk, and fiery chilies, with dishes like gang thai pla, fermented fish curry, and masaman curry, which show strong Persian and Indian influences. The Thai royal court played a crucial role in elevating the cuisine, refining cooking techniques, and emphasizing aesthetics, balance, and intricate presentation. A fusion of cultures, the colonial influence. Though Thailand was never colonized, European traders brought new ingredients and culinary techniques that subtly influenced Thai cuisine. The Portuguese introduced chilies in the 16th century, forever changing the spice profile of Thai food. Dutch and French traders contributed to the introduction of fruits like papaya and tomatoes. During the 20th century, Western ingredients like wheat noodles, ketchup, and condensed milk began appearing in Thai dishes. One of the most iconic fusion dishes, pad thai, was actually a government-promoted meal during the 1930s, combining Chinese stir-fry techniques with local flavors to create a national dish. The future of flavor. Thai cuisine's continuing evolution. Today, Thai cuisine continues to evolve with modern trends and global influences. With the rise of food tourism, Thai chefs are experimenting with molecular gastronomy, plant-based Thai dishes, and sustainable cooking. Farm-to-table concepts and the use of locally sourced organic ingredients are becoming more popular, ensuring that traditional flavors remain intact while adapting to contemporary preferences. Thai food is also making its mark worldwide, with Michelin-starred Thai restaurants appearing in cities like New York, London, and Tokyo. With a growing interest in healthy eating, sustainability, and fusion cuisine, the future of Thai food is bright, promising new innovations while staying true to its rich heritage. From its ancient beginnings to its royal refinement and global influence, Thai cuisine is a testament to Thailand's history, resilience, and creativity. Whether you're savoring a spicy bowl of tom yum, indulging in sticky rice with mango, or exploring modern Thai fusion, you're experiencing a culinary legacy that continues to captivate food lovers around the world. What's your favorite Thai dish? Let us know in the comments. Remember to hit that notification bell for more amazing videos like this. Follow FauZia.com.